In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate premium elements images in Canva. Let's start by getting into your workspace. Open Canva and either create a new design or open one you've already been working on. Having a design open makes it easier to try things in real time and immediately see how an element or photo fits into your layout. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a range of tabs. Click Elements if you're looking for graphics, shapes, lines, stickers, icons, or illustrations. If you're specifically after photography, click Photos. These two tabs are your main hubs for visual assets, and moving between them helps you compare styles and find exactly what suits your project. Next, use the search bar at the top of that panel to describe what you need. Type in clear keywords like sunset photo, abstract shapes, or gold crown. Be as specific as possible. If the results feel off, try a related term, a color, or a style word like minimal, vintage, or bold. This narrows the results and brings the most relevant items to the top. As results load, pay attention to the crown icon. When you see a small crown next to an element or a photo, that indicates its premium content. In Canva, that typically means it belongs to the Pro library. It's a quick visual signal that the item isn't part of the free offering. You can still preview how it looks in your design, which is useful for testing compositions and color balance before you commit. If you've already placed something on your canvas and you're unsure whether it's premium, look for a crisscross watermark across the image or graphic. That watermark is added to premium items until they're licensed under a qualifying plan or replaced with a free alternative. Spotting the watermark early saves time because you can decide to keep exploring free options or plan around premium content. To refine your search further, use the filter controls located near the search bar. Click the filter icon and choose whether you want to see free or pro content. Selecting free helps you avoid watermarks entirely, which is great if you're working within a no-cost setup. Switching to Pro focuses your results on premium options, helpful when you want that extra polish and are browsing with premium content in mind. Apply the filter, review your results, and adjust as needed until you find the right fit. That's all you need to quickly identify premium elements and images in Canva. Explore, preview, and filter with confidence, and you'll build designs faster with fewer surprises. Thanks for watching.